Hi everyone, it's Mr. Allen again for our golden ticket assembly for nursery reception year 1, year 2 and SRB. These are all these children who have been working so hard this week to earn themselves a golden ticket, and then also a special treat to take home today and enjoy at home with your family, guys. So this is a really special award, and it means so much to those children who have been working so hard throughout the week, and hopefully the rest of you can really aspire to win this as well in the next few weeks. So good luck everyone. And we're starting this morning with nursery, and you'll see in nursery we've got AM and PM, so we've got 2 children. This child has worked every day, tries his best and makes sure his friends have someone to play with. Superb. It's exactly what we want from our nursery children. Fantastic. And this child comes in smiling every day, plays well independently, she sits beautifully at carpet time and is kind to her friends. Lots of children being really kind to their friends in nursery. But the golden tickets go to none other than Ollie and Maya. Look, there they are. Oh, look at them, big smiles all on his face, Maya. Look at those, absolutely superb. Really well done, you two. Mr. Allen's going to bring that round this morning with your treat. Enjoy that at home. Maybe you can share that at home as well. So really well done. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being such good friends to all other children in nursery as well. And those big smiles every time you come in. Lovely. Well done. Moving on to reception. You'll see we've got Turtle class. Look at this. This child has been impressing me every day. She always listens carefully when we sit on the carpet and is a kind friend to the other children reception. Well done to Esme. There she is, and she absolutely is. Esme, you are such a lovely girl. Thank you so much. You are brilliant in reception. You're so kind to all the children. You're so lovely. Really well deserved. Maybe you could share this with your brother. Maybe. Okay, we'll see. It's up to you, hun, but do enjoy your treats as well as your golden ticket. Really well done, hun. Thank you. Moving on, here we go. Look out. Shark Cast. Look at Shark Cast. Look at this child. Look. Our golden ticket winner this week has tried so hard with his writing and maths. Can't ask for any more. Thank you, and well done to Lucas. Here he is, look, sitting there doing his maths. He's doing his ones, putting all his ones with his counters. Really well done, Lucas. Really well deserved, buddy. Fantastic work on your writing and your maths this week. Really enjoy your golden ticket and your treats this evening. Okay, well done. Moving on. Here we go. Look, year 1. Oh, here we go. Look out. Miss Marshall has got some for using her phonics knowledge to help her writing. This, in turn, is really helping her reading. Fantastic. Really helping with writing lots and lots of phonics work, using all the sounds. And it goes to none other than Emily. Here she is. Look at Emily. You little superstar. Look, put all your numbers out there. You put your name as well. Absolute superstar. Really well done learning your sounds, helping you with your writing, helping with your reading. Really well deserved, hun. Enjoy your treat and put this somewhere really safe. So proud of you, Emily. Well done, hun. Congratulations. Moving on. Look at, Miss Begum. Look at Miss Begum's. This child has been working really hard with their handwriting in class. They're also a kind friend and play lots of games with other children in the playground, which is exactly what Mr. Allen's been asking. Please be kind friends. Please work as hard as you possibly can. Don't give up. But this golden ticket goes to Lily. Look at Lily. She really is an absolute superstar. Lily, you really deserve it. Look at that beautiful handwriting and amazing maths. Really well done, Lily. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy your treats and enjoy this golden ticket. Really well done, hun. Fantastic. Moving on. Here we go. Year 2, look out, here we go. Miss Howkins. This child always has a smile on her face. She's always ready to learn and works independently. She's read 5 times a week and is in school every day. Well done, and it's exactly that. Reading every single day. Really well done. The golden ticket this week goes to Daria. There she is. Look at her. Look at that. Fantastic. With her Tudor house ready for a great Fire of London as well. Working really hard. Always smiling. Always getting on. Reading lots and lots. Really well deserved, Daria. Really enjoy your treats and congratulations. Well done, hun. Mrs. Cooks. Here we go. Mrs. Cook. Look at this. Works her socks off. Is kind and caring and joins in all lessons. Well, just brilliant. And it goes to Rosie. Here she is. Look, with a little sluggy friend, little down at Forest Schools there. And again, Tudor house, ready. Great Fire of London. Rosie, really well deserved, hun. Thank you for working your socks off and making my job so much easier. Huge congratulations. Enjoy your treats and put this somewhere really safe. Congratulations, hun. Finally this morning, we're on to Our SRB, here we go. Look out, the SRB. Look, she arrives at school every day with a smile on her face. I know that as well because I see her coming in. She does her best with all her work and has a really positive attitude. And I've seen this throughout, whether that's at break times, at lunch times, so on. She absolutely does. The golden ticket in the SRB goes to Amelia. Here she is. Amelia, look at her, look. Listens and does her best. Always cheerful, 100% attendance. And every time I see her, she's got a huge smile on her face. She says, hello, Mr. Allen. She's so well deserved, Amelia, you superstar. Enjoy your treat and put this in a really safe place. Well done, hun. Congratulations. Finally, it's just for me to say, obviously, it was great to see so many children trying their best this week. Absolutely. Finding their inner animal. Talked to them a bit about that, about my assembly, but they absolutely weren't. They just weren't giving up, so really well done. The last bit to say is, obviously, stay safe, everyone. Please stay safe. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.